Hi, my name is Jessica Tapana. I am a group practice owner and also the owner of Simplified SEO Consulting. We help small business owners around the world get their website ranking better on search engines and in front of more potential clients. This month, we are going to be talking all about the basics of search engine optimization. If you've ever wondered how to get your website ranking better on search engines and been just a little bit overwhelmed by the amount of things you think you need to do on your website, this is the perfect series for you. We are going to break things down and make it a little bit easier to know at least some great starting places for search engine optimization. Today, I'm going to tell you the first 3 steps that you should be doing if you want to get your website found by more potential clients. The first thing that you should do is make sure that you have a website you really like and that really represents you and your brand. Think about how you want people to feel when they land on your website. What feeling can you evoke that will really represent your brand? Now go look at your website. Make sure that that feeling is brought out by your website. If you don't really like your website, it's not going to do you a lot of good to get tons of people coming to that site because it won't convert your ideal clients. So start there. Start with making sure that your website is one that will have people calling when they do land. The second thing that I want you to do is think about keyword research. This is coming up with the terms that people are searching for on Google when they're looking for your services. The truth is that a lot of us business owners are not that great at knowing what people are searching for on Google. Most of the time we have some technical jargon that we use to describe our work, and we think that people are searching for that on Google when in fact people in our field really aren't searching for that. So a great place to start with this is just finding a few people who are similar to your ideal client, a few people in your life that may theoretically look for services similar to yours, and ask them, say, if you were looking for my services, what would you put into Google? What would you type into a search engine? Listen to their response, and don't be surprised if it's a little bit different than what you think it might be. The truth is that there's a lot of other things you can do for keyword research. You can spend as much or as little time on this as you want. And a lot of people overthink it and they get so caught in the details trying to come up with the perfect keywords that they never start on the actual optimizing. So keep it simple early on. First things first, just go ask a few of your friends what they would search for if they were looking for your services. The third thing I want you to do is look at what content you can add to your website to better serve your potential clients and to give Google or other search engines enough information that they know what to rank your website for. The more information that you're putting on your website about your services, not only are you helping potential clients get a feel for what you're offering, but all of that, you will naturally use some of those keywords that we were talking about, and Google or other search engines will just have a better idea of what's on your page and when to rank it well. Some of the pages to think about adding are specific services. Whatever your business is, you're going to have multiple different things that you offer. I'm in private practice offering psychotherapy, but I see more than one type of client. And so I have on my private practice website an anxiety treatment page, a depression counseling page, and a PTSD and trauma therapy page. These are 3 different services that I offer. Instead of listing them all on one page, I have one really detailed page about each of those 3. So people looking at my website will assume that I'm probably an expert on those things because I was able to accurately describe how they're feeling on that service page. Furthermore, I've given all the search engines enough information to know that they should probably rank me pretty well if somebody searches for depression counseling. So that's it. 3 places to start with. I encourage you to go take a look at your website now and see if you're happy with it, to start asking your friends what keywords they would use, and to also think about if there's any additional content that you need to add to your page to give search engines and potential clients the information they're looking for. If you are looking for more tips on how to get your website ranking well on search engines, I encourage you stay tuned. Over the next couple of weeks, we'll be sharing lots more tips. Or go to my website, simplifiedseoconsulting.com, POP for practice of the practice. Thank you, and I look forward to sharing more tips next time.